Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to reopen Instagram photos already viewed on your mobile, okay? So first of all, I'm going into my Instagram app and I want to clarify what is this about of an Instagram to review a photo and so on. So I'm going into my messages section and here I'm going to open my first chat, and as you can see, I have sent myself different pictures. Some of them I'm able to watch them like a thumbnail, but some other just says see photo. So what do you must do to send a picture like that? Remember that at the bottom of your screen there is the blue camera, so I'm going to take a picture, or you can select a picture already from your gallery, and here at the bottom of your screen there is an option that says preserve in the chat, or just see once, or allow the other person to see it again. So if I just select this one with the one on the symbol and I send it, I'm just gonna be able to see that picture once. So here, if I open this, I can see this picture so many times as I want, but in the second one I'm just gonna be able to see it once. And you can know that because you're not able to see the thumbnail. So you must be prepared for that, and obviously go to the tools of your mobile and go to the screen recorder. This option could vary depending on the model of your mobile, but here in my screen recorder on top I have my settings, and the fourth settings is the source of the sounds. So right now I can't change this because I'm recording with my mobile, but there are two options. You can record those sounds from your microphone, or you can record those sounds from your source. So I really recommend you to record this from your source, I mean the sound that is getting into your mobile, because perhaps this picture or video could have some, I don't know, like sounds that you want to preserve too. So here again in my chat, I'm going to start recording, and now I'm going to see the picture. As you can see on top of my screen, there is like a bomb timer, and when it comes to the end, this picture is going to be closed and I'm not going to be able to see it again. So be careful with that. As you can see now it's on gray and I'm not able to see it again. So what you can do is stop recording, obviously, and here in your screen recording on your mobile you can see that picture or video as many times as you want. And that's it. That's how you can reopen Instagram photos already viewed on your mobile.